ওটা ভালো লেগেছে? ওখানে কি করেছো? ওকে, আলী ওমর, তোমার এখানে ভালো লেগেছে? হ্যাঁ, আরেকদিন আসবা আঙ্কেলের সাথে? ওকে।
Greetings everyone. Today we'll be talking about the Parc Départemental du Saucy, commonly known as Parc du Saucy. It's the largest and second green space in the Saint-Denis department, with an area of 202.6 hectares. After Parc Georges Valbon, of course. It forms a natural zone of ecological, faunistic and floristic interest, CNIEFF for the acronym, of Type 2, included since the spring of 2006, in the Natura 200,002 sites. It extends over 2 municipalities, Aulnay-sous-Bois and Villepinte. The Parc of Saucy was developed on an area formerly devoted to large-scale farming, cereals, oilseeds, potatoes, sugar beets, and etc. The urbanization of the northern part of Aulnay-sous-Bois, construction of several thousand housing units and development of business parks made it necessary to create a sewage system, the retention basin on the Saucy Stream, upstream from the Savigny farm, which was then destroyed. This was the starting point for the creation of the Savigny Pond, that is 5 hectares, around which a 33 hectares park was initially planned. The desires of Georges Valbon, then president of the General Council of Saint-Denis, to increase to 10% the proportion of the department's surface area occupied by public green spaces, led to the expansion of the planned perimeter to 200 hectares, in order to make it both an urban and landscape park. The first trees were planted during the winter of 1981 and 1982. Geography and Geology. The park is located at an altitude of 51 meters at the level of the Savigny Pond in the Pré Carré, and 74 meters near the 3 water towers in the Forêt on the relatively flat terrain of the Pays de France. The lowest part corresponds to the cuts made by the Rue du Roi and the Ruisseau du Saucy, which crosses the park in the Bocage area, and the highest to the embankments in the Pré Carré in Bocage area. The main outcrops are made up of silt from the plateaus secondary Mal, Monceau sand and along the Sausage Street, limestone and some recent alluvium. It is bordered by the following transport infrastructures: the A0104 freeway to the east, Route Nationale to the south, D401 Avenue Raoul Dufy to the west, and D40 to the north. The park is crossed by a very high voltage power line and by the Arrière B line, Branche B3, and is served by the Villepinte train station. It is bordered by the La Rose-Devant and Gros Saul neighborhoods, as well as the Croix Saint-Marc Business Park and the former Citroën factories in Aulnay-sous-Bois, the Robert Ballanger Hospital Center, the Air Bertrand neighborhood, and the Paris Nord 2 Business Park in Villepinte.
Guilou. Mais appelle-le. চালি ওমর। Go, 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 go! ভালো লাগে ওমর?
ভালো লাগে না, তোমাকে c'est incroyable.
ভাল লাগে না এখানে?